This video is on graphing in slope-intercept form, and most of you probably remember that this is slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. And you should know that m represents the slope, and slope is rise over run, and b represents the y-intercept, or where it crosses the y-axis. Okay, I am going to go ahead and graph number 1, and you don't have to do a table anymore, you don't have to find the x and y, well, it does tell you the y-intercept. You don't have to do that. We're just going to graph it. Okay. So when you graph these, you need to start with the y-intercept. I'm going to zoom in here. So start with the y-intercept, which is a -4. So you start at -4 on the y-axis. Make a dot. Then I look at my slope. Slope is 2. That really means my slope is 2 over 1, meaning rise is 2. So I go up 2 over 1 to the right. So it might be helpful if you write up and then right, if you don't remember how to do it. So from this dot down here, I go up 2 over 1. And I like to do it twice just so I have a good line going. So up 2 over 1. Now you can draw your line. And that is graphing slope-intercept form. Okay, let's try another one. Let's do y equals -2/3 x plus 4. So for this one, you're going to start with a graph again. Start with the y-intercept. Y-intercept is 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Make your dot. From there, the slope tells me I'm going down 2. So down 2, right 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now I can graph my line. Okay, hopefully this is all coming back to you. Hopefully you remember how to do it. Now it's going to get a little bit harder because now you're going to have to put it into slope-intercept form. So basically you're solving for y. So for this one, it's going to be 2x plus 6y equals 6. And I know you can find the x and y intercept on that one, but I would like to put that into slope-intercept form. So to do that, I'm going to subtract 2x. That gets me 6y equals, I'm going to put the -2x first, so -2x plus 6. And then divide by 6. -2 over 6, that reduces down to -1/3 x plus 1. If you are not sure how to reduce that fraction, all you have to do is type into your calculator, -2 divided by 6, enter, you'll get a decimal, hit math, enter. Enter? No. Math, enter, enter. And then it will give you the reduced fraction. But now I have it in slope-intercept form, so I can go ahead and graph it. Okay, start with my y-intercept, which is 1. And then from there, I'm going down 1, 3 to the right. So down 1, 1, 2, 3. Down 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I have one more for you to do, and then you can go ahead and start on your assignment. Number 4 is 2x plus 3y equals 6. And I know you can find the x and y intercepts on that, but please put it into slope-intercept form and then graph it. And I would recommend pausing it so you get practice. Okay, to get y by itself, I'm going to first subtract 2x. So that's 3y equals negative 2x plus 6. And then I'm going to divide everything by 3. That gets me y equals, I can't reduce that down any further, so that's negative 2/3 x plus 2. Now I can graph it. Okay, start at 2. From there, I go down to 3 to the right. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And guys, just so you know, if it's a negative slope like this, it needs to go down towards the right. Number 1 had a positive slope, positive 2, so it goes up towards the right. So make sure when you graph these that it's going in the correct direction. Okay, that is it for today. If you have any questions, let me know. But if you are good on this, you can go ahead and get started on your assignment.